how's your day? Or how's your afternoon? Okay, hope that you are fine today. Okay, so today is Tuesday, our computer. So I'm your teacher again, Teacher Eden. We are on our third quarter. We are on our week 5. Our lesson for today, it's all about standard parts of a microscope word window. So let's listen very carefully as I discuss about the standard parts of microscope or Microsoft Word window. Okay, children? Okay. So when you open an application program, a window will show you on your screen. Each program displays specific features on the screen. So let's take a look and name the parts or the functions of the Microsoft Word program window. Okay, children, I will show you. Okay, this is a Microsoft Word program window. So what did you notice? Okay, very good. There are so many parts there. Okay, so I will discuss to you one by one parts and function of its Microsoft Word program window. Okay, let's start. So, this is the office button, number 1. So, this is allow access to different files, commands, such as a new, open, save as, and print. It performs the same function as the file menu in Microsoft Word 2003. The number 2 is the ribbon. This replaces menus, toolbars, and most of the task panes that are found in a Microsoft Word 2003. It consists of tabs that are organized by task. Number 3, the ruler. So this helps align the text, graphics, tables, and other elements in your document. So number 4, the text area. So the text area is where you place the text and pictures in the document. Number 5, the status bar. So the status bar is just this tells you the current page you are working on and the total page content of your entire document. It also displays the line and column number of the character you are typing. So the number 6 is the view shortcuts. So these 5 buttons allow you to change the way you view your document on the screen. Then number 7, the zoom line. So you can change the view of your document by moving the slide bar to left and right directions. It can zoom in or zoom out your working area. So number 8 is that moving the scroll bar buttons will bring you to the previous and next page. Otherwise, click the up and down arrows at the right portion of the window to view the previous or next page. Then the title bar. So the title bar is the blue bar along top of your screen. It displays the title of your document. Then number 10, the quick access toolbar. This toolbar includes the most common commands such as the save and undo. You can customize the toolbar by adding command buttons onto it. Then the tabs. There are 3 types of tabs on the ribbon. Letter A. Standard tabs appear as you start the Microsoft Word program. These include Home, Insert, Page, Layout, References, Mailing, Review, View, and Adds In. Letter B. Contextual tabs, such as Picture Tools, Drawing, or Table appear only when performs a certain task. Then letter C. Program tabs replace the standard of tabs when you switch to a certain view mode, such as print, preview. So these are the 3 types on a ribbon. Standard tabs appear, contextual tabs, then program tabs. Okay? So number 12 is the display buttons. These are the minimize, maximize, restore, and close button. These buttons activates and closes the program window. Okay, so I will show you the list of commonly used command buttons. So, the least common used command buttons is the number 1, the new file, number 2, the open, number 3, save, then number 4, print, number 5, print preview, number 6, cut, number 7, copy, then number 8, paste, then number 9, undo, and number 10, redo. So these are the least commonly used commands buttons. Children, are you listening? These are 10 list of commonly used command buttons. I'll repeat. This is the 10 least commonly used commands button. The new file, open, save, print preview, cut, copy, paste, undo, and redo. Okay? Okay, children, are you listening? Do you understand? Okay, very good. So, I will repeat the functions and the parts of Microsoft program. Number 1, Office button. Number 2, ribbon. Number 3, ruler. Number 4, text area. Number 5, status bar. Number 6, view shortcuts. Number 7, zoom line. Number 8, scroll bars. Number 9, title bars. Then 10, quick access toolbar. Number 11, tabs. And number 12, display buttons. These are the parts and a function of a Microsoft Word program window. Okay? Okay, do you understand our lesson, children? Okay, very good. So, if you have questions regarding to our lessons today, feel free to chat me on my messenger. Okay, thank you for your listening.